Money, an integral part of our lives. But what exactly is money? Why is it so important? And is it possible to imagine life without money? Let's find the answers to these questions today. Money is not just paper notes or coins. Money is a medium of exchange. That is, if you want to buy a product or service, you have to pay money in return. Once upon a time, there was no money. People used to trade goods by bartering. For example, you gave rice, and in return, someone gave you fish. But the problem is, not everyone has the same needs. So a common medium of exchange was needed. Initially, metal coins like gold and silver were used. Later, paper notes came, and now digital money, cards, and cryptocurrencies have come. Now the question is, why do we need money? In short, to live. We need money for food, shelter, medicine, education, everything. Is money really the key to happiness? Some say, money is the only thing that brings happiness, while others say, money cannot buy happiness. In fact, money gives you freedom, helps you meet your needs. But if money goes out of control, it can also be a source of danger. The good thing about money is that it makes life easier, helps you fulfill your dreams. But the bad thing is that excessive greed can lead people to wrongdoings. So how should you use money? How do successful people use money? To use money in the right way, you need to keep 4 things in mind. 1. Increase income. Learn skills. Do good work. 2. Control expenses. Reduce unnecessary expenses. 3. Save. Put some money aside for the future. 4. Invest. Put money in a place where it can grow. The bottom line is that money is important in our lives, but it should not become the only goal in our lives. If used correctly, money is not only a means to an end, it can also give us the power to change our lives. Earning money is as important as acquiring the skills to use it properly. Many people keep chasing after increasing their income, but without proper planning, money is easily wasted. Therefore, some important principles should be followed for proper use of money. First, creating a budget is an effective way. Keeping an account of monthly income and expenses can reduce unnecessary expenses. Food, housing, medical care, and education should be the main expenses among the necessary expenses. It is easier to save for the future if you stay away from unnecessary luxuries. Second, it is important to develop the habit of saving. By keeping a certain portion of your income in savings every month, you can ensure financial security. Just depositing money in the bank is not enough, but it is possible to make savings more profitable through investment. Long-term investments such as stock market, mutual funds, or low-risk business investments can bring financial stability in the future. Third, it is important to create an emergency fund so that you do not have to take a loan when needed. This savings comes in handy if a sudden medical or other emergency arises. Fourth, you also need to invest money in developing skills. Acquiring new skills can broaden your future earning potential. Finally, you should have a charitable attitude. Money can be used not only for yourself, but also for other people in society. The true value of money is found in helping the poor and helpless. Therefore, while earning money is important, it is also important to ensure that it is used properly. Following a proper plan will make your financial future more secure and successful. Do you think money can really buy happiness? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.